Hey, one of the things that I struggle with and a lot of my athletes struggle with too is actually finishing in that top position with the legs and really driving with the legs and finding balance at the top of the finish. So here's a drill that you can do. I got a lightweight on here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drive to finish, pause at the top, and repeat twice, and then do a power clean. So it's a little something like this. The idea there is I'm focusing on getting to the top, making sure I'm locking out the quads and balancing the top. Do it twice and prime that for a power clean right after that, hoping to finish with the legs on the finish there. Cool.